If it went viral on TikTok, how could it go wrong? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another TikTok inspired video. As you probably know, unless you're new here, I actually am not on TikTok. But I do see videos all the time on YouTube testing TikTok viral, sensational things, products, recipes, etc. If you missed it, I did a TikTok pancake recipe, and you know, I won't spoil it for you, but if you've ever seen me cook anything, you could probably guess how that went, but I'll leave the link above and below. Anyhow, in my subscription box, a video came up from a influencer that I was not aware of, but I will try to find the original video and link it below. But they tried these, and I was like, yes, please. Essentially, the idea behind these is a heatless wave. A heatless wave? Get yourself some waves and curls without putting heat on your hair. Again, how could this go wrong? I like the idea behind that, like truly, sincerely. I know I've seen several different versions of these being done, but this seems to be the product worth trying. So I went on Amazon and there's so many of these and I opted for the cheapest one. Again, how could this go wrong? So this arrived literally like this, no instructions at all, no pictures, nothing, just this. How could this? You know what I mean? This morning I blew dry my hair. I clearly didn't do a great job, but there's no style or curl in it. So you know what? I'm really counting on you. Oh no, what are these? Oh, what do these do? What do these do? Maybe to help pull the hair through? As I can kind of like guess from just seeing the pictures, I didn't actually watch that girl's video. I just took her idea. It appears that you gotta obviously wet the hair and then just kind of like stick your hair up in this. That's what she said. Let's ruin my blowout. I mean, if this did work, that would actually be awesome because I'm always trying to find ways to take better care of my hair. TikTok on the clock. I think Kesha's sad about TikTok. Does she get any credit? I'm just gonna use this to like stick my hair down. It's gotta be what it's for, right? Is that what you do? This seems damaging in its own sort of way. Are you guys like me and you just don't like to read directions? They always say that about like dudes. Like dudes don't like to stop for directions. I don't like to do anything by directions. I just like to do it myself. This is not working. Oh, O'Reilly, O'Reilly. Do you guys have O'Reilly where you are? It's like an auto parts place. Only know it because of the jingle. Now I'm gonna give you some insight into how stupid I am. The jingle goes, oh, O'Reilly, O'Reilly Auto Parts. And I think it's funny to sing, oh, O'Reilly, O'Reilly Auto Farts. And I really, like, I go through the whole song just to hit the auto farts part. And I sing that often to Corny, to Jeff, to myself, and now to you. It's not perfect, but it's definitely in there. I feel like there's gotta be a way to, I don't know. Let's keep going. Do you guys remember hair wraps? I actually think they made a resurgence recently. Like, I don't know if the actual wrap did, but then there was those like sort of, not confetti, what am I trying to say? Like tinsel hair extensions, which are kind of like a wrap. Do you guys remember like full on hair wraps? You would go to a place and they would take a chunk of your hair and then they would wrap it with yarn in different colors and patterns. And then you just have it in your hair for a while until it, like your hair grew out and then you'd have to get it taken out and then the hair underneath would be like really gross. That was a time. Oh, and then you would have like charms at the bottom. That was cool. Dude, I'm like nostalgic for my childhood. Things were just so much simpler back then, and not just because I was a kid, but like I feel like it was just simpler times. Maybe? Am I making that up? I guess no social media. There was like barely computers at that point. Definitely no cell phones. Simpler. It was simpler, guys. I am curious if there is a better way to be doing this. Oh, I did better. I did better, we're learning. Soaring, flying. I can't believe I used to get hair extensions. Like I used to like for years have extensions and I loved them for so many reasons. But boy, they took so long to get put in, and I had to get them done so often. I don't even know how my friend like had the patience to put them in all the time. She like stopped doing it. She says she doesn't really do them on clients anymore. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna make you watch me put in every single one. So I'm gonna cut the camera, and as soon as, oh my God, I feel like this is so bad for my hair. I'm just like pushing it through. Oh, it hurts. That can't be good. Can't be good. As soon as I have them in, I will check back in with you guys. Be right back. Just want to give you an update. No surprise here, but I am getting impatient. I don't find this process easy. I am hearing my hair make crazy noises as I push it through. Noises that sound like breakage. Again, I like to emphasize that I clearly am not doing this correctly. So if you are interested in this product, I will leave the link below. And you can do it correctly. We'll also leave the link below of someone else doing it who probably did it correctly, but here she is, Shirley Temple at her finest. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and leave these on for a while and scare my neighbors and let everything dry, and I will report back. The one thing I will say positive about these are like cute, but also they do really stay in. Like I don't feel like they're gonna fall out at all, which is kind of cool. So I obviously did a terrible job and didn't complete the task. Very on brand, but let's just at least see like how a few of these turned out once they dry, okay? I'll be back. Are you excited? Are you excited? We're soaring, flying. I'm back. It's been about 45 minutes. My hair feels pretty dry. I imagine if you had done this right out of the shower. Oh, I wonder if I did this right out of the shower, if they would have stuck in easier. Maybe I should have. Now I'm like reevaluating how I did this, and I'm sorry. Because now I have this theory, like had I done it right when I got out of the shower, I could have taken pieces, twirled it, stuck it through, whatever. We can revisit this if it kind of works, but I guess it's time for the big reveal. Let's do this. These things definitely stayed in, and they're actually like kind of comfortable. I mean, you definitely know you got stuff on your head, but in terms of curlers and stuff, it's not bad. Oh, I'm afraid. Oh, it's pulling. Oh no, pieces of my hair. Oh no, not what I wanted to do. Oh no, I was wondering how they stuck in so well. They stuck in so well because the material is really intense. Oh no, breakage. Oh God, this is the worst thing I should have ever done. Oh, wait, no, oh. I mean, I guess I understand in theory. Okay, oh no, all my hair is falling out. Oh, this is awful. This is actually not even a joke. I'm not being dramatic for clickbait purposes. This is awful. I should have watched the video. This is what I get for using someone else's content idea without watching their content. Oh my God. This is like the worst bat mitzvah hair of all times. Oh, okay, that one wasn't as bad. Oh my God. When I tell you I spent time blow drying my hair, I'm an actual idiot. I'm never doing this ever again, just so you know. Even if I did it wrong, there's no way in heck I'm ever doing this again. Because this material is like, it's like Velcro on your hair. Oh my God, I hate this. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. This is awful. This is awful. Oh my God. Ta-da! F you, TikTok. I knew I hated you. Oh my God. I sincerely understand that I might not have done this right, but like, it's not even, okay, maybe like there's one strand that's like somewhat kind of cute, but like, oh my God, and my hair, like, I'm gonna cry. I actually think I'm gonna cry. I've been working, if you guys saw, I did a video, I think it was just a vlog, but I was talking about like my hair, like I felt like I've been having trouble with my hair, and a lot of you suggested it might have been because of COVID, but whatever. Point being, I've been trying so hard to take good care of my hair, and this is what I get. Jeff's not home, and boy, I wish he was so I could show him this. Well, there you go. This was a total fail. And you know what? I don't even think it was my fault. I think this was a failure of a product. Let me just show you. Okay, so this part here is silicone, I think, or a plastic of some sort. And then this, as you can see, is like this like woven. It's like it reminds me of like a plastic summer woven bag, like that you would take to the beach or something. So that's not good. What a review, there you go. Listen, if you want waves, get this. This thing, I'll leave a link to it or to a version of it. Yes, it is heat, but I mean, at least you only have to do it once over and like you're not pulling out your hair. Get one of these and or just sleep in braids. This is horrendous. All right, you know what? I just looked back in the mirror and I feel like I'm being a little hard on this product. Has anyone actually used this and has it worked? Again, I realized my application of it was like poor, but like, is she cute right now? No. Okay. Let me know what other TikTok products you want me to use. Maybe something that like is a little bit easier to use perhaps, and or recipes and or whatever. As long as I still have some of my hair, I'm willing to try. So, all right, great. I think I'm gonna go take another shower. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh.